Ever wonder what AI really is and how it works? Today we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and predictive models. Let's break down these concepts in a simple, easy to understand way. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a broad field of computer science focusing on creating systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. These tasks can range from recognizing speech and images to making decisions and predictions. One of the key components of AI is machine learning. But what exactly is machine learning? In simple terms, it's a method of teaching computers to learn from data. Instead of being explicitly programmed to perform a task, the computer uses algorithms to analyze data, identify patterns, and make decisions based on that data. Think of it as learning by example. For instance, if you want a machine to recognize pictures of cats, you would provide it with thousands of cat images, and the machine would analyze these images, learn the features that distinguish cats, and then use this knowledge to identify cats in new pictures. Machine learning is all about data and algorithms. Algorithms are sets of rules or instructions that the computer follows to solve problems. There are different types of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the machine is trained on labeled data sets, which means the data includes the correct answer. For example, in a data set of emails, each email might be labeled as spam or not spam. The machine learns from this labeled data and uses it to classify new emails. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, involves training the machine on data without labeled responses. The machine looks for patterns and relationships in the data. For example, it might group customers with similar buying habits together. Reinforcement learning is a bit different. Here, the machine learns by trial and error, receiving rewards or penalties for the actions it takes. Rewards if it's correct, penalties if it's incorrect. And this approach is often used in robotics and gameplay. Now let's talk about large language models. These are types of AI designed to understand and generate human language. They're trained on vast amounts of text data from books, articles, websites, and more. The most well-known large language models are developed by companies like OpenAI and Google. And these models use a technique called deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning involving neural networks with many layers. We'll get into neural networks some other time. That's a little bit of a deeper topic. The predictive nature of large language models is fascinating. They can predict the next word in a sentence, generate entire paragraphs of text, translate languages, and even answer questions. For instance, when you query into a search engine like Google, the suggestions you see on that search bar are generated by a large language model, predicting what you are likely to type next based on what millions of other users have typed before you. How do these models make such accurate predictions? Statistical models. A statistical model is a mathematical representation of the relationship between different variables in a data set. In the context of machine learning and AI, these models are used to analyze data and make predictions. For example, a statistical model might analyze historical sales data to predict future sales trends. Large language models use complex statistical techniques to produce and understand text, or process and understand text. They calculate the probabilities of different words and phrases appearing in certain contexts based on the patterns that they have learned from the training data. This allows them to generate text that is coherent and contextually appropriate. To put it simply, machine learning and AI are all about using data to make predictions and decisions. By analyzing large amounts of data, these systems can identify patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to detect. This predictive power is what makes AI so powerful and useful in a wide range of applications, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and customer service. So to summarize, AI is a broad field that includes machine learning, which involves teaching computers to learn from data. Large language models are a specific type of AI that excels at understanding and generating human language using deep learning techniques. These models rely on statistical methods to make accurate predictions and generate coherent text. As AI continues to evolve, its applications and capabilities will only expand, making it an exciting field to watch. So thanks for watching. I hope you now have a little bit better understanding of what AI and machine learning are. Follow Follow me for more insights into the fascinating world of cognition and AI. And please don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.